Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best garage parking aids that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Garage Tennis Ball Parking Aid from BFXM. This product offers a simple yet effective solution to garage parking with its complete kit that includes 2 tennis balls, adjustable cord locks, and screw hooks. The bright-colored tennis balls make it easy to spot even in dim lighting, ensuring safe and accurate parking every time. Additionally, the soft material of the tennis balls prevents scratches or dents on your vehicle, making it an ideal choice for anyone worried about car damage. The design is straightforward and user-friendly. The adjustable length of the strings allows you to set up the parking aid at just the right height for your vehicle, and installation is quick and hassle-free with the included hooks and locks. The build quality is solid, and the components feel durable, though the tennis balls are better suited for lightweight use than heavy-duty applications. This product also offers some added versatility, as the tennis balls can double as stress relief toys or even pet toys. In terms of value, this parking aid is a practical and affordable solution for garages with limited space or for new drivers who are still perfecting their parking skills. However, it may not be ideal for those looking for a more high-tech solution. The main downside is that it relies entirely on visual cues, which might not be suitable for larger vehicles or dimly lit garages. If simplicity and affordability are what you're after, this product is a great pick. At rank number 3, we have the 2-piece 18-inch heavy-duty parking aid for garage by Hawkwell. This product is a more durable and heavy-duty option compared to the simpler solutions we've seen so far. Designed to protect your vehicle and garage walls from damage, this parking aid is perfect for drivers who need a reliable stop indicator. The conspicuous yellow safety stripes improve visibility, making it easier to spot even in darker garages. The design and build quality are standout features of this product. Made from eco-friendly, odor-free material, these parking stoppers are sturdy and designed to last. Installation is incredibly easy thanks to the peel-and-stick foam adhesive backing, which eliminates the need for drilling. These parking aids are also highly stable, staying firmly in place even on uneven surfaces. Each stopper measures 18 inches in length, providing plenty of coverage to prevent overparking. This product is ideal for those who prioritize durability and heavy-duty performance. It's a bit more expensive than the tennis ball systems, but its longevity and stability make it worth the investment. On the downside, it's not as portable or adjustable as some other options, and it may take up more space in smaller garages. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting parking aid, the Hawkwell Heavy-Duty Parking Aid is a fantastic choice. Taking the number 2 spot is the 2-packs Tennis Ball Garage Parking Aid from Sard Visa. This product offers an upgraded take on the classic tennis ball system, with some innovative features that set it apart. The fluorescent yellow balls are highly visible, and the non-elastic nylon braided rope ensures consistent accuracy over time, unlike elastic cords that may stretch and lose precision. This makes it an excellent choice for long-term use. The design is thoughtfully engineered for ease of installation and reliability. It comes with oversized screw hooks and spring adjustment buckles, allowing you to set it up quickly and adjust the height with precision. The included installation manual ensures that even first-time users can get it right. The materials used are of high quality, with the nylon rope providing durability and resistance to wear and tear. This parking aid is ideal for new drivers, multi-car families, or anyone looking for a reliable and straightforward parking solution. It's slightly more expensive than basic tennis ball systems, but offers superior durability and accuracy. The only downside is that it doesn't include any high-tech features like sensors or alarms, which could be a deal-breaker for those seeking advanced functionality. Overall, the Sard Visa Parking Aid is an excellent mix of practicality and performance. Finally, Taking the #1 spot is the STKR Concepts 00-246 Adjustable Garage Parking Sensor Aid. This is the premium option in our lineup, and for good reason. The STKR Concepts Parking Sensor Aid uses ultrasonic, range-finding technology to ensure precise and accurate parking every single time. It's designed to help you safely navigate tight garage spaces, making it perfect for anyone with a compact garage or large vehicles that require precision parking. The design and build quality are top-notch. It's sleek, lightweight, and compact, weighing just 3.87 ounces and measuring 3.5 times 4.7 times 1 inches. The sensor can be powered either by a standard USB cord or 4 AA batteries, adding flexibility to the setup. Installation is straightforward, and the device's matte gray finish ensures it blends well with most garage interiors. It even comes with a 1-year warranty against manufacturer defects, adding peace of mind to your purchase. This product is perfect for anyone looking for a high-tech, reliable parking aid. Its ultrasonic technology sets it apart from other options on the market, providing a level of precision that's hard to beat. The downside is its reliance on batteries if you opt not to use the USB cord, and it's slightly more expensive than simpler solutions. However, its performance, design, and reliability make it well worth the investment. If you're serious about parking accuracy, the STKR Concepts Parking Sensor Aid is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.